Hi, my name's Stanley. Trading is the art of making the right decisions at the right time. I use the fractal chaos bands and the Williams to create a system that gives clear signals and helps me make informed decisions. These indicators consistently show when to enter the market and when it's better to stay out. I'll explain how to set up the chart correctly and how to read the signals for accurate entries. This strategy is proven and really works in the long term. And if you want to learn how to use these indicators, I'll be happy to share my approach. Thank you for subscribing to the channel and liking this video. My name's Stanley and I'm getting started. First, let's set up the tools for work. I choose classic candles and the time frame is 1 minute. If you need a promo code for a bonus to your deposit, it is in the description. Let's go to the Indicators tab and select the Fractal Chaos Bands and the Williams. Let's set up the Fractal Chaos Bands indicator first. Set period to 3. Go to Style and set background to gray and save. Let's set up the Williams, set period to 10, go to Style and set the width of main line to 2, set the width of the lines -20 and -80 to 2, and save. So, the indicators are ready to go, and friends, if you trade on your phones, configure them in the same way. First situation, I'm setting the expiration to 1 minute and opening a long trade for $2,000. Now, I'll explain in detail how this strategy works. Look, the first signal comes from the fractal chaos bands. When the candles touch the lower red border of the channel and start moving up, it signals the beginning of an upward movement. And this is the key turning point that confirms that the downtrend is over and the market is ready to change direction and grow. The second signal comes from the Williams. When its turquoise line crosses the red line from bottom to top, it confirms the start of an uptrend. The Williams helps to determine overbought and oversold levels in the market, and when its line crosses downwards, it signals an upward movement. Great start! The first trade brought me $1,840 of profit. So, let's move on to the next situation. If you value quality trading information and are looking for a community where you can share your experience, then join my free Telegram channel. We analyze the market daily, share strategies and support each other. If anything is unclear, feel free to contact me. The link is in the description, so please join us and grow with us. On Telegram, you'll always find the latest analytics to help you make informed decisions. So please join while it's still available. A confident signal has just appeared. I'm setting the expiration time to 1 minute and opening a long trade for $2,000 again. The chart shows excellent movement and the indicators clearly confirm the entry. When the chart and indicators agree, it gives confidence in the correctness of the decision. There was a strong downward impulse earlier, but it didn't continue. This indicates that the downtrend has lost its strength and the chart has exhausted its downward energy. When the market cannot continue moving in one direction, it often signals that the trend may reverse. We may be on the verge of an upward impulse, and it's highly likely that the chart will continue to move upward. Let's see. Back in the black, the profit is $1,840. Let's keep going. Next entry point. The expiration time is 1 minute, and this time I'm opening a short trade for $2,000. All conditions are met, the signals are worked out, so the situation is really reliable. When all elements of the analysis coincide, it creates confidence that the market will continue to move in the given direction. Earlier, there was a sideways movement from which the candles made an upward exit. However, the momentum didn't continue and the forces supporting the upward movement were insufficient for it to continue. Nevertheless, this doesn't rule out the possibility of continued growth, because after the sideways movement ends, a new force usually appears in the market. Now, judging by the current chart structure, the upward trend prevails and the market is likely to move upward. This situation creates excellent opportunities to enter a buy position with the prospect of profit. Let's see how it works. Yes, another successful trade. The balance has increased by another $1,840. Let's move on. Excellent opportunity. The expiration time is 1 minute, and I'm opening a short trade for $2,000. The downward movement is confident, and the indicators confirm this. When the chart and the indicators work in harmony, it gives confidence that the trend will continue in the same direction. With this setup, you can expect a good result, as all signals confirm the decline and the trend shows clear strength. The strategy is very versatile for any time of day and different market conditions. It has performed well in the morning, afternoon and evening, providing accurate signals that have brought profits. Thanks to its adaptability, it works well in any volatility and in calm market phases. Therefore, you can trade using this strategy at any time of the day and not worry about the quality of signals or possible profits. It consistently delivers excellent results. Great! I'm making a profit of $1,840 and my balance is now $16,260. So, it's time to sum up the results. I managed to increase my balance from $8,900 to $16,260. This is a really impressive result, which shows that the strategy works consistently. If you have any questions about the methodology itself or want to understand it more deeply, feel free to write to me on Telegram. I'll be happy to help you. Well, thank you very much for watching, liking and subscribing to the channel. See you soon and happy trading!